are catching fish left and right, Mari. What do you think about that?
Good.
Here's my before. Mariana got bubble gum. Babe, what'd you get? She is helping me collect all the little seeds so we can plant them at home.
Oopsie.
Hello, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, my name is Vanessa. If you're not, welcome back. I wanted to take you guys along today. We are taking the kids fishing. We are a family of 4. We do have my brother-in-law with us, but we full-time live. We're near the river, so we want to go enjoy the beautiful weather and take the kids fishing on the dock. I have a fishing pole in the water. Mariana has a fishing pole in the water, and Edgar has a fishing pole in the water. Sergio and Theo went to the bathroom, so we were waiting for them to come back. So we're just sitting here enjoying some quiet time. He's having fun, I'm having fun. And I haven't gotten a bite yet, but it's only been about like 5-10 minutes, so we'll see. All right, Edgar, let's reel it in.
I got another one.
Woo! Mariana caught a fish. Oh, look! Mommy has a fish too! Yeah!
Hold yours. Show mommy. Fishing sucks.
Did you say fish? Yeah. Edgar got put with Theodore. We are catching fish left and right, Mari. What do you think about that?
Good.
Yeah. Thanks, honey.
And the worm is dead.
Caught a fish, Theo. Look, you get that one. Caught a fish. Here, let me see. I'll take it up for you.
How can you catch one so fast?
Good job, bud.
Edgar. You're going to poop you, Edgar.
Oh, this. I'll give it to you.
I caught a crappie. And then, oh, you put your whole thumb in there?
Yeah. See, these ones are good to eat.
Oh no, there's nothing poking me in there, is there?
They feel like a sandpaper. It's like sandpaper.
What did you get to eat, mamas?
Fries and tomatoes.
And chicken strips? Got a Philly cheesesteak. I haven't opened it yet. What'd you get?
We got chicken strips and french
Fries?
Ah.
Yeah. What'd you get, Edgar?
Cajun style burger.
I haven't zoomed out, so you guys look super funny.
Cool.
Is it spicy? These garlic fries are delicious.
And with ranch and barbecue.
Welcome to my little mini vlog of my sister's bridal shower. Everything is looking so good. I did sticky notes so nothing got mixed up tomorrow. We labeled everything. I did a practice for all like the tableware stuff. I put it all out. I figured out what cups we were wanting. And then in here, we prepped the backdrop. I think it looks amazing. I got this cute little bloom, sweet bloom vase at Five Below. I put the extra tall pieces of the, I can't believe it, the bud vases turned out so cute. I just did all those. My mom and sister helped me fill it with water, and then I put the extras in there. And then we have all of the pitchers and containers labeled. We'll make some tea in the morning. We are gonna cut the muffins, put out the crackers. We're gonna cut the veggies and fruit tonight. Got honey sticks, Emma's mirror, and then we got all of the juices. We got some food, and then a lot of the stuff came from like Costco too. We are all set and ready to go. Thanks, Emma Bema. How do you feel about today?
Feeling pretty good. We're gonna look back at this when, well, I'll be 40. You'll be like 50 something.
Here with you. We're not cooking. We are cutting the charcuterie boards, putting them all together. The bud vases are looking so good. We're getting drinks all put together. We got a little spoon bowl of sugar. Got some extra cookies because the scones didn't turn out. Got Beanie put away the bag still. Mom wrapped her gift, and we are starting to clear this table of decorations and getting them outside. We have the tables and chairs, only part of the tables and chairs set up, but she got a 10 by 30 tent, and I think it's gonna look so freaking good. So here's my before.
Get this one, Mija. Get this one. This is the one that I put in there. What is that? That's over there. We'll open it right now. What is that? No, no, you open yours. Over here, Mijo.
He can't get it open. Chacha, can you open it?
In there
Come here.
already.
Mijo.
In the front, there's a hole.
Right here. Look. Theo. Theo.
What
No,
is
right here, Mijo. Look.
What is
Open it. Get this one. Go show it to your mama.
A camera! A picture!
It's a microscope.
Huh?
It's a microscope.
Here's Theo.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, do you need this?
Probably. Thank you.
You can hook it up to your
Oh my
computer.
goodness. No
See
way.
the pictures that they took. You can take pictures too.
No way.
Theodore,
That's so
give
cool.
it back to sister. You already have one, bud.
It's a water bottle. We could put your water in there and your juice.
Theo, look. Theo. What is that?
Have them open that. Open that one, Mijo. The egg. Get the egg. Open it.
Yeah. It's not that.
Let me see your yo-yo, honey. Oh yeah, get it.
Because it's in half, okay, bro?
You hear the thunder? Oh man, it's pretty loud. We got mango and watermelon. He is devouring it. Mariana got bubble gum. Babe, what'd you get? Yum. And then they got lemon and pineapple. And then what'd you get? Chocolate and
Horchata and chocolate.
oh, horchata. Yum.
And we got chocolate.
Yeah.
You did.
We're harvesting some of my mom's cute was it a bee or something, Marie?
No, it's fine.
Fly. Look how cute these carnations are. I mean, not carnation. We were just talking about carnations. Harvesting my mom's marigolds. Look how cute.
Little bee.
She is helping me collect all the little seeds so we can plant them at home.
Oopsie.
Thank you.
Eating my brace.
It's okay. There's another one. Good job. Oh no, that one had a spider on it.
Spider? Where?
It's on the bag.
On the bag?
It's on the bag right there. Can you squish it?
No.
Oh. Come on, just put more in there.
I
It's
like
okay.
it.
Put more in. Good job. Thank you. All of them, Mari. We're going to get all the dead ones. Oh, she does have lavender in the middle. A little lavender bud right there. Right there.
Where?
Lavender right there. Here.
Oh, so pretty.
Get them more and more and more. Thank you.
A fairy.
Join me in clearing my kitchen so I could put my new dishwasher in.
Darling, I would die for you. Tell 1,000 lies for you. Love you like the ocean. Love you in slow motion. Anything it takes to make you stay. But I can't rely on you. Doesn't matter what I do. You say you need a time. I think you mean a buyout. 'Cause it's pretty clear you're on your way out. And though I understand it's hard sometimes to make up your mind in these trying times, yeah. I just can't accept you leaving me when I'm overseas with the heart so heavy. Think that I deserve the truth for once, not a guilty tone, 'cause you're not alone, yeah. You said you wanna come home, but I know you don't. So this time I won't hear it on the phone. If you got something to say to me, then say it to my face. What it's all about, why you're bailing out. Think you
Let's see if I can lift this dishwasher by myself. Oh, crap, crap. Let's see if I can do that. What? Oh, man. It's a little bigger than I thought. Oh, no.
even quit some friends for you. 'Cause you couldn't stand it, me all independent. So you had to have me for yourself. That was when I trusted you. When I could add up 2 and 2. When you promised we'd be.
I'm gonna have to move you guys because it's going right where you are. I feel like the benefit outweighs the like bulky situation, but also I feel like it doesn't look that bad. If you're like in my kitchen, I have a pretty good sized kitchen for an RV. I have my sink, still a whole counter space to work with, and then my oven with my dishwasher supplies. But the thing is that my old drying rack took up that whole spot anyways. See? It's just not as tall. And I never use that area of the counter except for my produce bowl. So I feel like I can find a new home for that and enjoy a dishwasher. So then I don't have dishes strung all throughout. They're in one corner. You guys, I am obsessed. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Say goodbye to the old dish rack. I
I wanted to show you guys Mariana's little like art wall. And then I also wanted to say thank you for watching today's video. The kids are down. Well, Mariana's watching a movie, but Sergio had to run to Walmart to grab a couple things. I am sitting here watching some Netflix, but wanted to end today's video. I don't think anything else is happening at 9 o'clock at night. So thank you so much, and we will see you in the next.